How is it going? I feel like it's been ages since I did a vlog. Oh, here comes Squeaks and a cat and 2 other cats. So all the cats, yeah, you can see all the cats for like the first time in ages. So this is Gary. He is ginormous now, but he's the baby of the group. He's the smallest. Binksy cat is here. Bandit, Bandit, come here. Bandit. So Bandit is the biggest boy. He is the biggest boy, but he is the most reluctant for cuddles. Come in. And my Binksy Velcro cat. Come here, my baby. This is my baby. Binksy cat. Who's the one who's in most of the videos? If you can hear him.
No, it's Gary.
Oh, it's not. It's Binks. He's in my face. I can hear him. So that's my Binksy boy.
I hate you.
Yeah, he just sits here like this. He does like cuddles, as opposed to the other 2. Gary is very tolerant because everybody picks him up. Mika, let him go.
Oh,
It's because he sits on me like this. They get jealous. Put him down. That they want a cat to sit on them like Binks does on me. Like I can stand up and he'll just
cling on to you.
He just clings on. He's very cute. Here comes little Aria legs. So, where are we going at the weekend, girls?
Canada.
We're going to Canada. So,
Kitty.
Ari, get off. You're squishing me. So what are we doing at the moment?
Packing.
Packing.
Guys, over there.
Oh, my baby boy. Off you go. I got this today off Amazon. A little case, hard case for my camera. So that's you are going to go in there. And I got some new bits from Boohoo. I'll show you quickly. Just go and grab my new shoes out that bag, Squeaks.
Okay.
Or Fishy. Excuse me. So we're all packed. Can you please keep your bottom in your trousers, in your top? So these are my new, I got some new shoes from Boohoo. I thought they were quite nice. Little espadrille doodads. Thought they were nice. Put them back in. I was wearing my dressing gown for some reason. There's 2 things I'm sending back, which was like a jogger jumpsuit that was just hideous. And then a pair of leggings that were absolutely completely see-through, which no one wants. So I just got a plain white t-shirt. And then I've got one that says, just be nice. And then my favourite one is this one. It says, baby girl. You can mold a boat and you can float your boat. It says, baby girl. But it's like acidy wash with a skull and flowers, and I got it like it went 16-18 because I wanted it to be oversized. I generally like a 14 on the top, but I wanted it to be nice and baggy. So that's that.
Yeah.
I got this the other day. I got me and Ben one of these each. It's like a neck pillow. It's got a hood on it, so you can like fully, not that anyone's going to do that, but you get the idea. Just, yeah, got that. Just hit me in the tit. Telling me to go to sleep. So we're packed, 90% packed. Just got to do like electronics and stuff.
I'm turning into a kitty cat.
You're turning into a kitty cat, okay. Do you want to go and put your pyjamas on, please, little legs?
Yes. I already am.
No, you're not in your pyjamas. Go put your actual pyjamas on. So we've split everything into the cases. Mika, bugger off, being a cat. She has been, it's like literally 4 days into the holidays and she is driving us insane already. We have like a chart downstairs of a cloud and a rainbow, because at school they have like cloud, sunshine, rainbow, shooting star, and then they come home with shooting stars, depending on how good or bad they are. And they generally are on the rainbow or a shooting star. But we have like the cloud and the rainbow, so you're being good or you're being very naughty. And then so we've got this cupboard is rainbow, this cupboard is cloud, and then this one is just an empty cupboard, and my cupboards are black. And Mika was so naughty the other day that we were like, right, you're in the black hole, and we just put her onto the black cupboard. She, yeah, whenever I tell her off about anything, she screeches at us as loud as she can and then kicks Ben, and like hits Ben. And we have no idea where that comes from because we're not hitting family, so it's very odd that she's doing it. But yeah, she is, I think she's just very, very excited for holiday, and because the girls have to have COVID tests before we fly, we've like isolated this week. We haven't seen anyone. We missed my best friend's little boy's birthday party, and I feel so sad about it. So we just haven't done anything all week, so I think they're going a bit stir crazy. I've got a house sitter looking after our house, which is amazing. She comes when we leave, which is awesome news. I'm trying to pack hand luggage at the moment. Careful of Binksy Cat. And we're trying to sort out coats because we're not sure how warm or cold it's going to be. You're like a witch like that, Ari. Go and wash your face, little one, because you've got Cajun mints all over your face and you're orange. It's going to make your face sore. Go, go, go. Careful of Binksy. Go wash your face as well because you're also orange.
Oh, Cajun mints is so yummy.
I know Cajun mints is so yummy, but you are orange. Go and wash it. Got one of these the other day as well. I bought myself one. I'd seen them online. I've been wanting to buy one for ages, but every time I've tried to use natural deodorant, it's like made me have like armpit rashes. And I've been using it for like 3 days. Oh, nobody wants to see an armpit, but there's no rash so far. So there's an armpit for you. What else? Yes, we've separated it. So we've got 5 suitcases because we're all allowed to take a case. So we've got 2 big ones for Ben and Fox. We've separated, so we've got half of Ben's clothes in one and half of Ben's clothes in another, half of Fox's and half of Fox's. Nope, you need more washing. And then we've got my little one that I won. Like, I won this. I can't remember where I won it from. Like a giveaway, maybe a Rockerbox giveaway or something years and years ago. Something Lane, I can't remember. But it says Team Pert, but that is just empty. So we're going to take that and then we're going to bring loads of shit back. And then the other case has got mine and the girls' stuff in it as well. So yeah, and I've got travel cubes, so everything is labelled. And then when we get there, we've got the 5 suitcases. So we're then going to just split everything up into the 5 suitcases. So there's one for me, one for Mika, one for Ari, one for Ben, one for Fox. Because we're travelling around different places where we're staying, and we're going to vlog hopefully every day while we're there, which should be amazing. So stick around for that. But yeah, I just thought I'd come on and say hi. My poor mummy has got COVID at the moment. She's okay, but she lost her sense of taste and smell completely. And she's got the worst cough, bless her. She's fully vaccinated as well, so I'm assuming the vaccine has just made it so she's not got like more poorly, but she has been poorly. So she's been on her own for a week, bless her. Mika Violet.
Hello.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna put you in there. I'm gonna put you in my armpits.
You're gonna rip my head off.
I shall pull your head off and fart on it. But yeah, my brother wanted to come around this week, and I was like, no, sorry, you can't come around. We're not seeing anyone. So I'm trying to get the house ready for this lady to stay. You are insane at the moment. This is what she has been like for a week, just always in my face. Can you give mummy a break?
Yeah.
And just let mummy have like 5 minutes to just not have you in my eyeballs?
Yeah, can I just have 1 second without you in my eyeballs?
You want 1 second without me in your eyeballs?
1.
Oh my god. I know any other mums watching this will be feeling the same during the holidays. It seems really long this time. Like, I thought they only got 2 weeks for Easter, but ours finish on the 1st of April, and they don't go back until like, they're meant to go back on the 20th, but we're not home until then because I got confused. But yeah, it's like nearly 3 weeks they have off, so.
It's 3 weeks.
Yeah.
It's 2 weeks. It's 20 days.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want to go.
No, look, it's not a toy, it's my pillow, and if you two break it, I'll be sad. You've got your own pillows, now bum off. Oh, do you want to get your suitcase to show everyone?
Yeah.
It's in the, just bring one of them out, they're in the bathroom. I've got the girls their own like suitcases for hand luggage.
Let's bring any old one.
Just bring one, doesn't matter which one.
Any old. Any old.
Any old iron.
Any old. It's not any, it's not old. It's any old. Any old.
Mika! Ari, what do you call Mika when she doesn't stop talking?
Walkie-talkie.
What has Bandit got?
He's got this. What Gary and Bandit is the same with. Look. Okay.
Ari, bring it here. Come on.
On the bed.
Yeah, on the bed's okay. Can you lift it? So I got them these off Amazon. I think they're about £27 each, but I'll link them. But they're like mini Macs, so they're like cabin sized ones. And I wanted them to have a backpack that had wheels, so you can either have this bit to pull it on, or it turns into a backpack. Obviously they're not going to be able to carry it as a backpack, but me and Ben can. Do you want to go and get your teddy to show everyone what it does? What are you chuntering about, Nika? Excusez-moi. And they've got a little pocket in the front where they've got like their sunglasses, and they've got crayons and stuff for the flight. And then, because we're staying in Airbnbs, they've actually got oh, this is Mika's one, don't worry, just stay there a minute. They've got their hats in it, they've got their travel pillows, a blanket, some magazines, like workbooks and stuff, just things to keep them occupied, because the flight is like
9 hours.
9.5 hours. So yeah, but it has this bit on the front which they love. Put her in, Nari.
That's Rita.
It doesn't matter, it's just a show. We're not actually going today, are we? It's got like a little
I got my
harness bit for their teddy bears. So
my teddy.
that's yours, and Mika's taking Cooper.
Yeah,
So-
what's a teddy pillow?
There you go.
It's Coopy.
Coopy.
No, it's Cooper.
Right, so put it back in the cup in the other room for me, please.
Okay. Let's do my dishes.
But yeah, I'll link those. But I got my off Amazon. I couldn't find anything. I looked in supermarkets, and I can't remember where else I looked. I looked at someplace in the city, but everything was either a tiny backpack with just one pocket, or it was a suitcase that undid, like this one, which is fine, but not for hand luggage, because it just doesn't make any sense. So I wanted something that they could undo and not everything fall out of, so that's what they've got. Yeah, this is the most random chuntery 12-minute video ever, so you're welcome for that. This is mine. My hand luggage is just an old rucksack. I've got Uno. I've got Ari's travel sickness stuff, masks. I got myself this as well. So it's like a crossbody bag, and I can have all the passports in it. So that, and then I've got our itinerary, and I got myself a compendium of puzzles book for the flight, because I don't want to be on my phone the whole time. Yeah. So the next vlog you see will be the travel vlog of us leaving the UK. Foxy's first time on a plane. If anyone is on the plane with us, I'm sorry, because I'm dreading it, to be honest. Aria, let go of the cat.
Kitty, cute. No, actually my taken one is this one. No, I have no idea.
Right, say bye.
Bye. Bye.